on, Riverside? I'm Nick Newman. Welcome back to ENN. Hope everyone is safe and happy at home. And today we're going to be teaching you how to make a little quarantine pizza. So making a pizza is pretty simple. You're going to have obviously your basic pizza crust, your Parmesan and mozzarella cheese, whatever toppings you'd like to put on your pizza. I'm just going to go with some basil and some pepperoni. I'm going to keep it nice and simple. And then your spices. I have garlic salt, crushed red pepper, onion powder, cayenne red pepper, and Italian seasoning for this. And then obviously your pizza sauce. You can't make a pizza without pizza sauce. So your first step is going to be to take a dollop of pizza sauce, put it on your pizza crust, and use the bottom of the spoon to slowly spread it around. Some people like a little sauce. I personally like a lot of sauce. It's a little cheesy, if you know what I mean. All right, so right now I'm going to be adding some crushed red pepper as well as a couple other seasonings to my pizza. I like a little spice as well as some garlic salt. It's good for any Italian anything. You should be adding your toppings now. As you can see, I've already added some basil, and now I'll be adding some pepperoni, and then the pizza will be complete. Now time to toss it in. Man, that looks delicious. Now that I have the finished product, I want to see what you guys can do at home. Take a video of you making your pizza, post it to your story, and tag Riverside. I'm Nick Newman, and you're watching ENN.